Hello everyone. Welcome to the problem regarding the logic. So prove that this one is a tautology. So the first thing we need to know is what a tautology is. So a tautology is something that is always true. Like, for instance, Barack Obama is the 44th president of the United States. This is a fact and it cannot be refuted or anything else. So the statement here is 100% correct or true. Same here. It asks us to prove that this one is a tautology or true. So let us begin. So look at this group first. So we can rewrite it as P and, well, Q then R, we can rewrite it as not Q or R, and then P. And not Q or not P then R. And the last one here, well, we're gonna deal with it later. So let us look at these both groups. So the first one here is Pn. So I'm gonna change this then sign into not again. So it is gonna be not Q or R or P. And the second one here is not Q or not of not P or R. So I'm gonna write it again. So it's gonna be not with not is, well, it is nothing. So it's gonna be Q, not with, or it's gonna be N, and not with R is gonna be not R. And it's gonna be or P once more. And for the second group, it's gonna be not Q or not with not is nothing. So P and not R. So let's break down every group. So P and, so this one goes in, this one goes in, so it's gonna be P and P, U and Q, and P or Q or, and P or not R. So this one here is the first group, and the second group here is not Q or P and not Q or not R. So let's have a look at the first group. So the result of the first group is P. So how do I know? For example, if I substitute P as true, this one here will be true, and this one true. So it's going to be true and true or Q, which is always true, and true or not R, which is always true. So the result is true, or in other words, it is P. And what if I substitute P as false? So false and anything, whatever this one is always false. So the answer will be false. So in other words, it is P. So if I substitute P as true, the result will be true or P. If I substitute P as false, the result will be false. So no matter what I substitute, the result will always be P. And then let me rewrite the second one. So, well, I'm going to bring this group first, and I'll show you why later. And not Q or P. And since the connectors between each group is an and, so I can remove the parentheses. So what I'll get is P and not Q or not R, and not Q or P. So I'm gonna pair P with the first group first. So it's gonna be P and not Q, or P and not R. Here's a parenthesis, and not Q or P. And the next step, well, this is probably the tricky one. but you need to notice that and not Q or P is a direct opposite to this one. So if I change this one into or and Q and not P, it will still be the same. Since the yellow one here is equal to not and or negative Q or P, since not and or is and. So if I distribute this not into this, I'll get or Q and not P. So let's take a look here, and what we get this step is P and not Q or P and not R or Q or not P. And now it's time for us to look at the last group, which is, well, this one must be not of P and not R. So it's going to be or and not P and not R. So the result is, well, I'm going to distribute this one into this one. So it's going to be not P or R. So I will write this down, not P or R. Well, since once again the connectors between each group is an or, so I can remove the parentheses here and let us focus on this one. So P and not R union with not P or R. Well, please note that this one here is not of P and not R. So suppose this one here is A and this one here is A. So it will be A or not A. So whatever A, whether it is true or false, for example, if it is true, then it's going to be true or not true, which is false. The answer will always be true. So how about if A is false? It's going to be false or not false, which is true, so the answer is true. So this one here is always true. So it's going to be true or P and not Q, or Q or not P. But we already know that true or anything is always true. So this one here is a tautology. So here's the proof. Well, thanks very much for this video, and I hope you like it. See you next time.